Hello, welcome to the Optio Drive Assistant tutorial series by Infranor. Today, we are going to cover starting a new project and the navigation of the software menus. We assume you have watched the previous videos in this playlist. This is a high-level overview of the Optio software. We will dive into the details of each section in later videos. Before launching Optio Drive Assistant, make sure to connect to your motor drive via serial communication and turn the drive power on. Next, verify you are running the latest Optio software version. Then, click Start a New Project with Auto Detection. Once you have started a new project, verify that the COM port is the correct one you are connected to, and set the baud rate to 115,200. Then, click Detect. Now we can see that a drive has appeared below servo drives. Click the drive, then click Connect. Once the project tree menu appears, you are connected. We are now connected to the drive. Now we can expand the menu to see different settings. In the Communications tab, we can connect via CAN, EtherCAT, and use simulation if we do not have a drive nearby. The next tab is the wizard. This can be used to walk through the setup of our drive and servo motor. Here is the project tree. This allows us to access our configured settings. This is the device control tab. Here we can see the status of our drive and motor. Clicking here allows us to separate the device control window from the main window. This is the oscilloscope tab. Here we can plot different signals and objects found in the drive. We will cover these settings in depth in a future video. Next, we have the terminal menu. This allows us to read and write information located in our drive's object dictionary. We can expand this window by clicking the plus and change how often we want to read this information. Similar to the device control tab, we can separate this window from the main software window. When closing this window, it reattaches to the main window. Here is the Files tab. This is where we can back up and restore our project files from existing Optio or GEM Drive Studio projects. The next Files tab allows us to get or send drive and user parameter files between our drive and PC. The Firmware tab allows us to update the drive firmware if necessary. And the Factory Reset tab allows us to return our drive to its factory configuration. Additionally, we can reset faults by clicking here. We can also trigger an emergency stop by clicking here at any time. Additionally, we can access our motor catalog. This is a pre-configured list of Infranor motors. Next, we can access the Optio settings here. This is where we can enable auto updates, reset our password, change our language, add object dictionaries, and display device and server events. This concludes our creating a new projects and menu navigation tutorial. We will go over how to use these settings with more details in future videos. Thanks for watching.